Hello everybody, May 5th, 2011. I've been doing a lot of videos lately. I'm trying to make people feel comfortable who got in for the first time up in the high 40s. I've been recommending all along that people get in, buy a few ounces each month, month after month, and just kind of average in. But for people who threw in, $3, $4, $5, $10,000 in the high 40s, you're just going to have a long-term perspective, which, in my opinion, you should have had all along. But, I myself, I've been searching for exactly why this has been happening. This drop from 49 down to 34. I mean, I understand that it's the paper market that's there's fundamentally nothing different in the physical market, but it's the paper market that's been changing. Recently the CME has raised margin requirements like 4 or 5 times, I believe. They're going to raise them again this coming Monday. I mean, that's causing the drop to just continue. As the margin gets put up higher, then they have a margin call, they have to close it out and then have to sell, and then it just keeps forcing it down. Now, I found something that's written by one of the premier silver analysts who's been fighting the manipulation in silver for 20, 30 years, I don't know exactly. He's probably been a silver analyst, metals analyst most of my life. And I found something written by him today which to me just totally lays out that part of silver that the average Joe may not know about. Someone who doesn't do trading of stocks or not clear on short selling. You have to understand short selling in order to understand what's happening in silver. So Maggie and I, here's Maggie. Maggie and I are going to bring you this article here. Maggie, can you speak? Speak. 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 Speak to the people. Speak. Okay. Well, that's her best effort. So anyway, I'll let you know about this article written by Ted Butler, and it's on the Silver Bear Cafe. I will put a link to it down below. But what he talks about, this is a must read. This lets you know what's happening in silver that a lot of people probably aren't aware about. I mean, I'm probably sure a lot of my viewers know of Ted Butler, probably read a lot of his stuff, listened to his interviews, and they know how he's been fighting the manipulation that's been going on. And but for people who don't know what's happening with the on the COMEX, this is a must read. Anyone who's invested in silver, he's talking about something that's coming that's going to permanently alter your family's standard of living. This is so big. This, I can't even explain how big this is. I mean, this little short-term fall we have here is nothing compared to what has to work its way through. Silver has the largest short position that's ever existed in anything. There's billions of shares short in silver. And there has to be settlement in those shares that have been shorted. They've been shorting means you've sold something you don't own. So you either have to deliver, or you have to repurchase. You have to buy back. So in order to close out billions of shares, they would have to convince all the physical holders and all the shareholders to sell, so that they could buy it back to close out those positions, or they could deliver the silver. And there's only, the COMEX warehouses have about 100 million ounces. Well, that's not going to be much delivering done when you have billions of shares that are shorted. So that eliminates one of the legitimate ways to close these out. So I just wanted to to let you look at this. You can read this for yourself. It's just such a compelling case for something monumental that we have coming in silver that, you know, these people talking silver bubble, they have no idea what they're talking about. This is someone who's been studying this 30 years, he's been fighting it for 20 years against the CFTC, finally got some things happening here in the past year, and there's just going to be some big action, huge monumental things coming in the silver market and for physical silver owners. So check out this article. It's a must read, and talk to you soon. Bye.